I don't want my shoes to get wet.
Oh fuck! I'm anyway. That guy's flicking water at me.
That's the only word I know.
Gotcha, I don't know. Yes.
Yes?
What country do you think? What country do you think I'm from? Guess.
Romania?
USA. Have you been? No. Oh fuck! This is so, you know. Me, am I? No, I promise. Me and him are from the USA.
Yeah, Florida.
I promise, Orlando, Florida.
Where are you from? Here?
Yeah.
Ah,
Chicago?
Dubja.
Poznań. Close to Poznań.
Poland?
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. First time in Poland.
You like?
It's beautiful. I like the city a lot. Beautiful. Very nice people. I like it. That pre-lift was so fast. Oh my
Yeah, it was flying.
I was like booking it, that pre-lift.
Oh God. Jeez.
Yo, are you scared? He's like, no. Are you guys scared? Oh.
Let's go!
Let's go! Okay. That's okay.
Yeah. Oh my God! What the fuck is that? It's very cold. Whose idea was it to build it? I want to cheer for it though. It's really cool. You're soaked.
Drenched. Not too bad. Average.